Hi everyone and welcome to the first of the year, well actually I did one in January, but first proper one of the season car boot haul. And unfortunately it's a very small one. You'll see that, well, even from the thumbnail, that I haven't got very much. I've lumped it together with a charity shop pickup that I did the other day, again quite small, so I didn't bother filming it. So the two together might make a half decent video anyway. All my local car boots were due to start today. Unfortunately, the good local one has been delayed a couple of weeks because we had flooding. The ground is still really wet, so they can't use the field. And the really larger one that's a little further away, that I normally go every few weeks to, again was due to start today, but again because of the rain, the field's waterlogged, so they can't use the field for the car boot. So, not much luck unfortunately, so I had to go to my local one that's on all year round, the one I don't like going to because it's just full of traders, and literally this morning 90% of it was traders, hence why I haven't picked up much because I normally buy from family sellers. Also it was freezing cold, I could barely feel my hands after going there, so I think that's put people off as well. But I picked up a couple of things that made it worthwhile for me anyway, personally, just because they're things I like. So I'll show you now what I got. So I'll do things differently this time. I'll go from right to left, and normally I go left to right. But I'm going to start with the charity shop stuff just because it'll make more sense when I'm talking about the car boot stuff. So I'll do the Blu-rays first. I have listed them already, hence why they're in plastic sleeves. First one is a horror movie called Us. I have seen this at the cinema. It was freaky. I don't never want to watch this ever again. But yeah, if you like creepy horror movies, that's kind of what that is. That was £1. I've got that on sale, I think, for £4.50. Next, there was a box set of Sherlock Holmes and Sherlock Holmes: A Game of Shadows. I don't know how many films there are in the series, I think there's only the two. But they were a box set, and the box set was £1, and they're DVDs and Blu-rays inside each movie, so 4 discs altogether. So I thought for £1 for the 2 movies, that was quite good. I've listed them, they're not worth a lot, £2.99 each. I've sent out an offer to someone for £2.50 each. They seem to have watched both of the listings, so fingers crossed they'll buy them together, and then that'll save me postage, but you never know, then someone else might buy them both. CDs next. There was an Enya CD for 50p. I wasn't leaving that there, especially as it was mint condition. If you don't know, I love Enya. She's my favourite artist of all time. So if I ever see an Enya CD that's mint, I pick it up just to have it in my shop. I don't care if it sits there forever. I just love having Enya stuff in my shop. Next, I like picking up soundtracks, especially score soundtracks, but I saw this My Girl movie soundtrack, obviously from the 90s. It's got a crack in the case, unfortunately, but it's not really worth a lot. It was 50p again, and I can't remember how much I've listed this for, but it's not a big seller. But yeah, I just like having soundtracks. If I see soundtracks that are in good condition, I pick them up. Like this Master and Commander Far Side of the World again. I don't think it's really worth a lot, but it was 50p and it's all score. So that caught my eye for 50p. I wasn't leaving that there. Next, I don't know why I bought that, but it was 50p. It was reduced. Travis Singles. It doesn't sell too bad. So yeah, I'll just pull it on my shop and see what it sells. I saw Rick Astley CD. I'm more of a Rick Astley fan from the PWL era, so like Never Gonna Give You Up, that era. This was released after that. I don't know what this sounds like. I bought it was 50p again. I bought it just to listen to, really, see if it was decent or not. And of course I'll just plonk it on my shop afterwards anyway. Next, there was a sealed game. If I see sealed games, especially card games like this, it's quite cool looking, I think. It's called Princess Legend. It was £2.50. It's not a huge seller again. It's like real slim pickings at the moment, but until the car boots start properly. But yeah, this was in the charity shop for £2.50 and it's on sale. I put it up for £9.99. That's quite high. I don't think it will end up selling for that unless someone sees it and loves it. But yeah, it's probably worth a couple of pounds less than that. But I thought I'd price it high to start with. And finally, I had a heart attack. I found a Doctor Who figure in the charity shop. Now, I did have to pay up. It was £2.50, which for a Sycorax warrior is insane. But I wasn't leaving it there. I'm too much of a nerd and geek. I can't leave a Doctor Who figure lying on the shelf like that. You never see them in the wild, especially in a charity shop. So yeah, for £2.50 I picked that up. I know it's well overpaid for that, but you'll see why it gets a bit better in a minute. Then I went to the car boot sale. Not a lot at all. I'll start from this side. I don't know why I picked these up. There was a guy selling this Bob the Builder plush. I picked it up. It's dirty. It looks like it might even have damp on it. I'm gonna have to put it in the washing machine. It was 50p, so I thought, you know what, I'll just give it a go, 50p. If it doesn't clean up, then I'll just send it back to a charity shop. Then he got this out of bag. Again, filthy. It's electronic, but I doubt it works. It looks disgusting. It's a plastic. Bob the Builder, again 50p, so £1 for the two. I thought, you know what, there's no one here. I'm probably not going to pick up a lot, so I just paid him £1 and took them off him. So yeah, I'll see what I can do with those, but I don't know if I'm going to be able to sell them or not yet. Then there was a lady selling some DVDs. I saw this one. It's a Marvel movie, Captain America, The Winter Soldier. It's sealed. I wouldn't have picked it up if it wasn't sealed. It says it's got an exclusive Hero Tax card inside. I think it's still in there. I presume it is, as it's sealed with the sticker on the front. So yeah, I'm going to see if I can sell that. I think I've got sealed Avengers Assemble on my shop at the moment. They're not too bad value-wise. I mean, they've gone down obviously because of Disney Plus, but yeah, I'll see if I can get £1 out of that or something. That was £1. She wanted £1 for sealed DVDs. There were a couple of other sealed ones, like Call the Midwife, but I can't be bothered to pick them up. And then there was a guy, I think I've seen him before, again, a trader, selling figures. I found 2 Doctor Who ones in the mix. This one was the one I saw first. It's another Sycorax. It's a Sycorax leader this time. And he wanted £2 each for them, which again is pretty steep. But I thought, you know what, because I've got the Sycorax Warrior from the charity shop on Friday, I'm going to buy it. Because I can lump this and this together as a bulk lot and make a bit more money out of them. Because they won't sell on their own. They're not valuable figures in the slightest. And then I thought I'll have a quick look at the other figures he had. I missed this first time at a second glance. I suddenly saw he had a David Tennant figure, 10th Doctor, in orange space suit. Again, £2. Not too bad condition. This is the dirty variant. He's got like more dirt on him, I think. It's a variant. He hasn't got his helmet, unfortunately. But I don't know. I might be able to make £1 or £2 out of him. But again, I wasn't leaving Doctor Who figures lying around because you don't see them very often, especially in good condition. The Sycorax leader does have a mark on the back. It does just look like a sticky mark, or blue tack or something. So, I mean, lighter fluid before we get that off. So I'm going to give it a good wash. I'll give them a wash anyway because I wash figures before I sell them anyway if they're second hand. I washed my Warrior yesterday and he's all nice and clean now. But yeah, I'll give these a good scrub. That one's not too bad, but this one is gross though. So yeah, I'll give them a scrub before I sell them, and yeah, hopefully make a few pounds. There was a lady selling a Martha Jones figure, but her hair was snapped off, the spiky bit, so I left that, unfortunately. None of this is going to make me a millionaire in the slightest. Oh, it was so bad. But I'm hoping as the weather gets a bit better, like hopefully, well, the local one that I normally like going to isn't going to be on till the 20th, so 2 weeks time. Hopefully the bigger one will be on next week, so I'll go to that one next week, and then my local one the week after. That's the plan anyway. Fingers crossed it doesn't rain again. So I hope you enjoyed this quick little video. I didn't really want to not do a haul video. I was in the mood to car boot and do a car boot haul today, so that's why I've done this little video for you. I hope you don't mind. And if you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel. I've got loads of other hauls and stuff. As I said, I'm a full-time reseller on eBay now, and I'm going to be going to the car boots every week, hopefully. So I'll try and do a haul video every week on a Sunday, and yeah, thanks for watching everyone. I'll see you all soon. Take care, bye.